Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Orlando at Disney World. We're going to check out Disney's Contemporary Hotel today. We got here via the monorail, which actually drops you off or picks you up, depending upon what you're doing, right in the Contemporary's lobby. I just came from the Grand Floridian, a beautiful upscale hotel here at Disney World. I hopped on the monorail there. It's dropping me off here at the Contemporary, right in the lobby. And then when I'm done with my walkthrough here, I'm going to take it over to the Polynesian. It's so easy to get around Disney World with all their modes of transportation, including buses. They have water transportation, of course, the monorail, which I just took. There's the Skyliner. Lots of options here as far as getting around. And, of course, there's always Uber and Lyft, which there are tons of those around the Disney World area as well. As soon as I got off the monorail, I was in the Contemporary's lobby, and I heard thunder outside, so I said, let me run outside and get some exterior shots, which is what I'm doing now. As soon as I'm done with the exterior, obviously, we'll go indoors and check out this beautiful Contemporary hotel here at Disney World. Disney Resort's Contemporary website says, retreat to this ultra-modern Disney Resort hotel and discover award-winning dining, spectacular views, and dazzling pools. Whether you're staying in the iconic A-frame Contemporary Tower or the nearby Garden Wing, you can walk to the Magic Kingdom main gate or catch the resort monorail as it breezes through the tower. Inside, a 90-foot-tall mural by Disney legend Mary Blair, responsible for the distinct look and feel of the It's a Small World attraction, celebrates the Grand Canyon and the American Southwest. We'll see that mural once we head inside. As far as our walk on the outside of the Contemporary here, the website says, from a water slide to our relaxing spas, there's something fun for everyone at Disney's Contemporary Resort. Soak up the sun amid marina views and white sand beaches at our main feature pool, blissfully heated for all-weather comfort, or make a splash shooting down our 17-foot-high curving water slide. Need to pamper yourself? Rent a poolside cabana by the hour or day and enjoy a private retreat with a flat-screen TV, iPod docking station, resort phone, and mini fridge. While your kids enjoy the fountains and water spouts, our futuristic water playground, parents can retreat to the nearby Bay Lake Pool, an all-ages leisure pool where loud noises and splashing are gently discouraged. This here around these parts is known as the Fantastic Five. They include Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Goofy, and Donald Duck. If you spot one of them in this video, I'm not going to say which one, but if you spot one of them, leave a comment in the comment section below as far as the timestamp where you spotted them, and you'll get a shout out in an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Donald Duck in my last Orlando video, the Epcot World Showcase Italy video. And she also found Clarice, the Miss America crown, in my last Atlantic City video, or one of my last Atlantic City videos, the AC Burger Company video from Harrah's. Congratulations, Deborah. Hold on tight. And by the way, if you're a fan of looking for these mascots in my video, and I know a lot of you are, these Orlando ones, particularly the Disney ones, are very difficult because not only do you have to find the mascot, but you have to name one of 5, so that makes it just a little bit more tougher. There is no shortage of shops here at Disney's Contemporary Resort, mostly souvenir and clothing shops, but I have to say a lot of them seem a lot larger here and a better selection than some of the other resorts here on property. There's no shortage of restaurants and lounges here at the Contemporary as well, including Steakhouse 71, From the website, it says breakfast, lunch, dinner, gather everyone together for a delicious meal at this new Disney steakhouse. Then there's Steakhouse 71 Lounge, which says step back in time to savor classic cocktails and cuisine with a modern twist in a nostalgic setting inspired by the early days of Walt Disney World Resort. Then there's the California Grill, which I believe is on the very top of this hotel, and it says treat yourself to an award-winning culinary experience and an epic vantage point for dinner. From what I understand, you can see other resorts from up there, as well as the Disney Castle at Magic Kingdom. And of course, California Grill has its own lounge as well. Other places include Chef Mickey's, Contempo Cafe, Contemporary Grounds, Cove Bar, Outer Rim, and the Sandbar. So with regards to Disney's Contemporary Resort, it's got lots of souvenir shops and some clothing stores and lots of casual restaurants and some upper-end restaurants upstairs with some fantastic views, which unfortunately I couldn't get to this day. It's also got the convenience of that monorail that goes in and out of this lobby every once in a while, and it takes you to other resorts as well as Disney's Magic Kingdom, which is right next door, by the way, so very close to everything. It's a nice hotel. What do you think? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.